Hello everyone. I hope you are safe and doing well during this pandemic. Lots of people nowadays are watching their favorite movies again, and one of them is me. I also watch again my favorite movies recently. Two of them is The Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit trilogy.
Home is now behind you. The world is ahead.
And I am again amazed by all of the details in those movies.
They will answer to the King of Gondor.
The costumes, weaponry, and other many crafts. I'm always into the arts for movie sets. I have even some books about the Lord of the Rings and the Hobbit movie series. What a nice coincidence this foreword is written by Christopher Lee. So I have decided to remake a craft from this movie series, and I really like the Gandalf and Saruman Staff.
Your love of the halfling's leaf.
I didn't prefer making one of the Gandalf staffs because it was difficult to find such an old-looking wood to start with, and also I don't have carving tools for such a detailed work. Whereas Saruman's staff has much more straight lines, and I thought I could avoid carving and I could use basic woods and cuts for the project. I have looked up online for replicas of Saruman's staff, and I have seen many different remakes, and I have chosen this one because to me it was the most similar one to the one used in the movie. I have simply outlined the boundaries in Photoshop and printed them. Since I wanted the crystal at the top to be a little bit different than other projects, having a light at the top, this decision has limited my options. Firstly, I have considered using resin with glowing pigment, but I was not satisfied with the results I have found online. Secondly, I have considered using rechargeable LED bulbs, but I gave up this idea since the bulbs are very fragile and recharging them was an issue. Finally, I thought I can use a small 3D printed moon. Only issue was that I couldn't find a 3D printed moon having a radius less than 3 inches. And second issue was their perfectly spherical shape. I have considered shaping them with sanding. Let's look into the project details. I have purchased this wood handle from Ace Hardware. It's nearly $10. Then I have purchased a 3D printed moon from eBay, around $15, and a spray paint from Amazon for $4. And I have found these chipboards from garbage, which means they cost $0. It's nearly $30 specific to this project. I have also used my existing tools and supplies. You don't have to use bandsaw or bench grinder, but they are making things easier for you. And I am leaving it up to you to decide how these tools and supplies add to the total cost. Alright, let's dive into the project. Modeling the top of the staff with the cardboard. Unfortunately, I couldn't turn the spherical shape of the 3D printed moon into an oval shape since its layer was not thick enough. Cutting the pieces from the chipboards. Smoothing the edges. Now it is time to work on the handle. I make vertical cuts at the top of the handle to place the chipboard pieces. and then I shaped the bottom of the handle. I glue the pieces with the handle, and then I use wood filling material for final shaping. Time for sanding and cleaning. I have used flat black spray paint for a matte finish, and I have applied 3 coats.
Now it is time to unleash the evil power.
Something moves in the shadows, unseen, hidden from our sight. It will not show itself. Not yet. But every day it grows in strength.
There are 2 ways to turn on the light, so you have to either touch that spot or you can use remote control. I hope you enjoyed the project. Although I have faced some challenges at the end, I'm really happy to make such a project. Please comment below your favorite character together with your favorite costume or craft in the Lord of the Rings or the Hobbit trilogy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button to support this channel. Thank you very much. Stay home and stay safe. See you next time.